In this video, I am going to show you how to download a video from Flixier. Once you have finished editing your video and everything is ready, the final step is exporting and downloading it to your device. To do this, click on the Export option located at the top right corner of your screen. While exporting, make sure the video option is selected and that the option labeled Download immediately after export is checked. This ensures that your video will automatically start downloading once the export process is complete. After confirming these settings, click on the Export Video button at the bottom right corner of the screen. You will then see an Export Progress indicator appear at the top right corner. You can click on it to view more detailed information about the export process. Keep in mind that larger or longer videos may take more time to export. Once the export is finished, Flixier will display details about your video, including its file size, duration, and resolution. If the download option was enabled, your video will begin downloading automatically. However, if it does not download for any reason, you can manually start the download by clicking the download option shown on the screen. This allows you to easily save your finished video to your device, and this is how you can download a video from Flixier.